Hello guys, we're doing a bottle. Wow. Ah!
Marshall, relax. Relax. I thought this was over, Sean. Right.
Yeah.
Hi.
Wow, sipo ganto. Para makitaan jud. So, nakakahibaw.
Blueberry pie details all done. Sean and Chase want to see the blueberry pie. Ready? Oh gosh. Careful when you open up that fridge. Careful.
Kapoy na ka?
No, that's the freezer. The fridge.
Habuga po din.
Yeah.
Hey!
Honest?
Hey!
Johnny, want to eat a piece? Please? I'll try.
I'm
You'll come soon.